open this PC, click on local disk C, click on Windows, scroll down and click on System32. Now go to Windows search bar and type File Explorer option. Open it. Click on View button. Click on Show Hidden Files, Folder and Drive. Click on Apply. Then open Previous tab. Find Group Policy Editor. Right click on Machine. Rename it as machine.old. Click on Yes. Then go back to this tab, click on Don't Show Hidden Files, Folder or Drive, apply it and click on OK. After that, restart your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching.